welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about knocking down of tooth. Yes, we all have met with an accident or we have all fallen down during playing, and yes, in some conditions we have got our whole tooth or the fractured tooth in our hands, and we have decided or so much worried that our natural tooth is lost. But the truth is, we can fix our natural tooth back in place in the same manner, in the same way, if you follow these steps which I mentioned in this video. Step number 1. When you've fallen down or met with an accident, we should not get panicked on seeing lost tooth, and we have to search for the whole tooth or the tooth fragment which is fractured and fallen down. So once you get the whole tooth, what we have to do? The step number 2. The whole tooth is fallen down on the soil, and the way we have to pick up the tooth is, the tooth has the crown and the root part, and the polished surface is known as crown. So the tooth is in the ground in this way, and we have to take it as catching the crown part and not touching the root part. So we have to take the tooth in this way. And step number 3. After picking up the tooth, catching the crown and not disturbing the root, we have to show this tooth in a running water, not on a forced running water but slight running slow water, and just wash it in this way. And we should not rub the tooth and wash. Just show in the running water and clean the soil which is stuck to the root of your tooth. And step number 4. Before going into step number 4, why should we not disturb the root part of our tooth? Because it contains the vitality that helps in reimplantation of your natural tooth back into your mouth, and it has the ability to get reattached to your socket. So if we disturb the root or if we squeeze the root, it loses its ability to get reimplanted. So without disturbing the root part, we are going to go into step number 4. So in step number 4, this tooth should be taken without disturbing till the dentist. So we are going to take this tooth in a suitable solution. So what are the suitable solution to carry this tooth? So if we are near pharmacy or any medical store, we can get a Hunt's balanced salt solution, that is HBSS solution, which is the most preferable solution to carry the tooth. So if we cannot get to any pharmacy or medical store and we are at home, we can use a mild warm milk and not so hot, mild warm milk, or contact lens solution, or tender coconut water. If we are in a situation where we cannot use any of these, we can use our own saliva spitting in a box and put the tooth into it. Or we can just keep the whole tooth in your buccal vestibule inside and take them to the hospital. So if you can tolerate the pain, we can insert the whole tooth back into the socket up to the level we can tolerate and take them to the hospital. They can fix the tooth as per its position and the size. If the bleeding from the socket is not stopped, we can apply pressure with the help of cotton so that within 5 minutes the bleeding will stop.
So, we have to take the tooth to the dentist within 30 minutes for good progression or at least within 2 hours to get the tooth reimplanted.
So, let us share this information of reimplanting our own natural tooth in its place so that many get benefited. So, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.